Hello again, audience. XxLazyZackxX here for our cooking tutorial. Well, today we are going to make mini pizzas. What we need is pizza sauce, cheese, and 2 pita breads. Now then, let me set this up here. First, we're gonna need a spoon. Spoon to put the pizza sauce on the pita breads. So let me grab one. Thanks for the information, Mom. We're also going to need olive oil. Yep, here. Olive oil. We're going to need some of that. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the pita breads and carefully pour a little olive oil. Ugh. And rub it on there. If you accidentally get some extra that's moving around, try pouring it onto the other one. Make sure your hands are washed before you do this. Get some of that olive oil. Make sure you don't get too much. On that, you accidentally pour a little too much on the pita bread. Just pour a little bit from it onto the other one. This one's cracked because I tried pushing it down to flatten it a bit, which kind of backfired. It won't matter really. Okay, we just got some olive oil. There, we got olive oil on the pita breads. Now then, let me just wash the olive oil off your hands. Right. Well, you should already know this. So, yeah. Okay, after you put the olive oil onto the pita breads, you grab a spoon. You pull out a tablespoon. And you open the jar as so. And then scoop some pizza sauce out of there. And just pour it on. As so. And this doesn't, in making pizza sauce, this saves a lot of time and resources. You can even cook in the oven, but I'll show you that when I have more memory on my phone. Yes, that's what I'm looking to. It's for my brother. I guess gonna come into the cracks. So I'm probably gonna get some of this on my hands. And it's split. Oops. Here. Now when you're finished with that, you can just lick it off the spoon. This is what my face looks like. When you're finished, though. But do that when you're finished, though. You don't want to get your spit on the pizza. Now, next we grab a cheese for you. Let me explain that. This will take 2 seconds. Let's see here. Hey, where's the cheese? Great top. Hey Mom, can I use this to grate the cheese? Okay, where's that grater? Where's the cheese grater? Where's the cheese grater? It's probably somewhere in these drawers. Nowhere to be seen. My memory's gonna be wasted by the time I find it. That's down there. Oh, finally. Cheese grater. Next we pull our plate. Mozzarella cheese. Any kind of cheese works as well. I prefer mozzarella because it's the same color as butter from Minecraft. Maybe I should do a Minecraft. There we go. Yeah. Then we just spray some cheese on there. Switch position with this. So we do this. Now get some cheese on this. Just push this out a bit. Do that to spread the cheese out a bit. Now we'll go on to the other one. Okay, we're grating the cheese. There. Now I got some cheese on this, and I also kind of made a mess, which I got to clean up. Push the cheese back in there. And close this jar up. Here's a tip. Try not to make a mess when doing this like I did. Okay, I'm gonna grab a little something for my pizza. Salami. I mean, how do you say not salami? Oh, looks like the power went off for a few minutes. Pepperoni, yeah. This is optional if you want pepperoni pizza. You can do it with, you can also put other toppings on your pizza. But this is just for me, so I'm gonna grab a knife here. And I'm completely old enough to be handling sharp knives. still not gonna try to give you my age, because I'm pretty sure I did that on one of my past videos. Probably not, but still, just being safe. Try not to give out any of my personal information. Slow down here. Okay. One more should do it. Ah. Okay, we are finished with that. Now, pulling our banana thingy up. Pepperoni thingy. Yeah, pepperoni thingy. Now, I'll move this up since it's just recommended. Ow! Let the thing go in the freezer. Now, I'm also going to throw on a little cheddar. Wait, this? Okay. Maybe I'll do this. And I'm going to pour this on both, a little bit, some of this on both pizzas. I'm really going to have to clean up this mess, or else my mom will get mad. She's probably, and she's just in the dining room. So yeah, she can probably hear me. Actually, I'm pretty sure she can. Yeah, that's also recommended. Then, and if you already have one cheese topping on it, yeah. But it's mandatory if it's the only cheese you have. The first layer of cheese is mandatory. The second one with a different cheese, it's recommended. Okay. Now, and we are nearly finished with our pizzas. So, now we're just gonna go over here and set the, and we can push, and we are going to push the pizza option right here. Here, or you can just, but I'd suggest putting a minute if it's homemade. Made like the ones I just made right over there. So yeah. First, open it. Then we come back over here. Take our two pizzas. Just put them in. Those pancakes right there. And then we'll come over here and put one. If you're reheating the pizza, you push the pizza option. And if you're cooking it, you just put in at least 1 minute. Oh no! We'll just have to wait 1 minute later. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video and come back to you when it's fit. Cooking video. Cooking video. Okay, it's about almost finished here. 3, 2, 1, finished. Mm, they look okay. And they're fish. Looks appetizing, right? And our pizzas are finished. Finished and ready to eat. Now tell me, does that look good? A little messy, but good. Now let's put this. Now we're gonna put up our ingredients here. You just put this one right back here.
Butter cheese. That's what I was about to say. Butter.
Any Marble Hornets after this one's I got a screen recorder. Yeah, I'm gonna go push this back down here. Like she's like sticking. This is hair out of its bag when it's not wanted. No, it doesn't even look like these are apart. Look at them now, in the center. Goes in the dishwasher, obviously. Goes into the sink, obviously. Now let's clean that up. Let me just grab a towel. Let me grab a rag. Now, where's the glass cleaner? Glass cleaner. Glass cleaner. Glass cleaner. Ah, cleaner. Glass cleaner. There's other things that work. And yes, this is a rag. It's a hold under shirt that was turned into a rag. To belong to me. Let's be careful not to get into any of my mom's stuff. I'm going to put this up here. It's kind of messy, isn't it?
You're doing clean up. Thank you very much for cleaning up after yourself.
Yeah, I was making a video.
You're making a
Video
video.
of this for my
Sorry.
channel. Oh yeah, that's how you make some pizza. It's in a few seconds. Well, in less than 19 minutes. Hey Mom, say hi for the camera. And yeah, so that's it. Bye.